Hello, it's a weekend again. How are you all? How you all doing? Okay, I'm doing my art talk part number 6 now. So yeah, good to hear from you all. You're doing good. Okay, today I'm going to talk about another art awareness, which is how you can take a lesson by yourself. What is take a lesson by yourself? Which you can actually learn art by your own or learning from the tutorial given. I also did a few tutorials from my YouTube channel. If you want to look furthermore, you can actually subscribe to my YouTube channel and also follow me on Instagram. I have my Instagram page. It's also post on my artwork, some of my tutorial there, step, and most of it you can find in my YouTube channel. So, how you actually get started? In your house, can you find a pencil? Can you find an eraser? And can you find some recycled A4 paper? Recycle, which is like you have written something, print something, but on the other page is blank. You can also use that. Or if you get online some sketchbook, these are some sketch paper, and you can actually buy online some sketchbook that you can have different size, big and small. Okay, so I will show some demo how you can prepare a few pictures on the slide after my talk. Okay, so in drawing, not necessarily you got to have a gift in it or experience on you learn art before this. No need. You can actually start from zero. It's okay. In fact, inside of us, we have art. We have some art skill inside of us. Imagine if you don't know anything about art, but somehow, somewhere, it leads you relate to the arts. Why is that so? You see, arts, when you choose a pencil case, let's say your school pencil case or your working pencil case, of course you will know that you like which pattern you like, which design you like. So those are also an art and creativity in your brain, in your mind, that helps you to filter, that helps you to see that maybe you like a rectangle type of bag or rectangle type of pencil case. In fact, nowadays I noticed that a lot of design coming out there, especially pencil case. So those days, my school time, my pencil case is just a metal box. So a metal box or plastic box is very simple. So right now, they have come out with a zip one. And even they have pencil case with 2 ways open. So where does that come from? It's people who have art skill or creativity skill, they design that, or people without it create that. So you see, every one of us have creativity inside us and also have some arts ideas for us. So we can do that. So I hope this channel, this talk, this small time that you listen, that it helps you to think. It helps you to progress with something. So I'm sure that it gives you some idea where to start art and where does art awareness come from. Thank you for watching. I see you again. Bye.